is the same plane. Wow. So for example here, you have lateral epicondylitis here. So for same plane, you can apply one electrode here, imagine na, and then the other electrode will be placed here. Med patient din ako. So, ini siya. So, coplanar. So, one here, then another here. So, same plane. And it's stated there that the edges of your electrode should not be that close when you have your coplanar. Preferably, better nga, it should be farther away. Okay, the farther away, mas deeper ang penetration. Kung mas closer siya, mas superficial ang penetration here. So you have this coplanar. You also have a coplanar nga transverse and coplanar nga longitudinal. Like for example, here's a back. If we're going to apply it in that way, that is a coplanar transverse. Because ang imong orientation sa imong current passes transversely to the longitudinal orientation of your muscle fiber there, structure. When you have coplanar longitudinal, you can apply this way. So that is a coplanar longitudinal. So, same plane, but the pagpasos sa imong current would have the same as the longitudinal orientation of the muscle fiber. Here, any questions? Okay.